Hello everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to Playroom. Today I'm making my first ever Lego Botanicals kit. I know I told you in my opening video that a while back that I had a knockoff roses kit and you watched me put it together and how I really wanted Lego Botanicals. So I picked up this one from Toys R Us up in Canada. It is about, I think it was like $6.99 Canadian for the kit, so it wasn't too bad for my first kit. Overall, I think it was pretty simple to put together. I'm just going to run through it really quickly on screen, but I don't. The directions were okay. The pieces were a little odd to look at first because I wasn't sure if I was putting it together correctly. I'm not a Lego fan. I hated Lego when my son was young because I could never get the freaking things to stay together. But this was pretty easy, and they do seem to be quite, I don't know what's the word, like stable, where they're not going to knock apart too easily. Now, the roses one I did was pretty simple as well, but it did fall apart. Like some of the petals kept falling off, and they still keep falling off, and I have to keep putting them back on. So I'm hoping the same thing's not happening with this set. Now the set is very tiny. It's only 3 flowers. I don't know what you're supposed to do with them unless you put them in a little vase. Well, I didn't have a vase for them right now. They are. Let me grab a measuring tape and I will measure how much they are. Okay, so the spiky thing is just under 10, or just over, like it's almost like 9 3/4 inches. The puffball one, which kind of reminds me of like a dandelion or something, is about 7.5 inches. And the other yellow one, which I don't know what that's supposed to be, is just under 7 inches. Now, for the yellow one, it has these weird leaves on it. I know I put it together, but it's weird. It's got these weird holes or circles in the back that almost look like it was meant for something else. But since it's Lego, it's possible that they could have been originally made for another kit or something, and they just, you know what I mean? Because they're usually generally interchangeable. So that's all I can really say about this kit. It was cute. It was simple. Took less than way under half an hour to put it all together. I am looking forward to doing another one. I have another one on my radar that's not too expensive. Most of them at Toys R Us were really way out of my price range. The one I really wanted was one with a white vase and it had all these beautiful flowers in it. But it was $140, and for me, for something that's just I'm going to put together and put it on the shelf, and it's not even a craft supply. I don't know. Well, we will see. But my birthday's coming up, so you never know. Maybe my other half will pick it up for me. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video, and we will catch you next time.